Hello students, welcome to the third part of the chapter India Events After 1960, Standard 9, Subject History. Let us study about the Indian economy. India wanted to acquire modernity and self-reliance by establishing industry. The National Planning Commission was established that would coordinate development through the policy of 5-year plans. The Narasimha Rao government started economic reforms from 1991. These economic reforms are called as economic liberalization. The field of information technology opened several avenues of employment in the country. Science and technology. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, known as father of the Green Revolution, in 1965 implemented new scientific agricultural techniques and increased the production of food grains. The experiment in cooperative dairy movement by Dr. Varghese Kuren led to increase of milk production in India. This is called as White Revolution. Dr. Homi Bhabha laid the foundation of the Indian atomic power program. India insisted on using atomic energy for peaceful purposes like generation of electricity, pharmaceuticals, and defense. In 1975, the first satellite Aryabhatta was launched. India has also made considerable advancement in the telecom sector. Changes in the social field. In this concept, first we shall study about the women empowerment. To promote the all-round development of women and children, a separate Department of Women and Child Development was created in 1985. Some laws were made to ensure social justice to women. They also include the Prohibition of Dowry Act and Equal Remuneration Act. As per the 73rd and 74th Constitution amendments, seats were reserved for women in the local self-government. Let us study about the betterment of the weaker section. Kakasaheb Kalelkar Commission was set up in 1953 to make recommendations so as to improve the conditions. In 1978, a commission was constituted under the chairmanship of B.P. Mandal to study the issue of backward classes. The government passed the Prevention of Atrocities Act in 1989. Now let us study about the last concept of this chapter, that is globalization. Globalization brought about many changes in the different fields like economic, politics, science and technology, and society and culture. India has emerged as an important country on the global scene in different spheres. India is an important member of international organizations like G20 and BRICS. BRICS include Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. India has experienced an important revolution in the field of telecommunication technology. In the political field, India has demonstrated to the world how a stable democracy can function successfully. All this has resulted in the total transformation in the lifestyle of Indians and especially the youth.